Ever since we started, even with the team building, nakita ko talaga na how effective Sir Pap is. Motivating the whole team, not only the us, even me. Kaya nga, diba, we agreed na gawin natin to sa leaders. Kaya nga biglang tinagwa namin, kaya gawin natin agad yung leadership training. Why? Eh, siyempre sabi ko, na, gusto motivate yung leaders and also me na talagang nakita namin na we were all in one vision. And the way you handle it, the way you flow, makikita mo talaga eh. Diba? Parang at the end of the day, talagang pati ikaw, naniniwala ka na rin. You're part of something big. You're a part of the big move.
So ano lang po last note mo, ano mo yung masasabi mo sa style ng pag-facilitate ko ng leadership?
Gusto ko natang kunin full time eh. If you're somebody who has a company or who has a team, may it be small or big, if you really need a good team for anything to get bigger and you need somebody to facilitate, and it's Sir Pat. Sabi ko, siya talaga. Kumbaga, you need somebody na talagang who can gel everybody and have one vision. And you should get him.
Thank you, Doc. Maraming salamat.